Hey you, and welcome to this video where we'll help you out how to change the currency right here on Admirals. And if you want to change the currency, you see right here that on one account I'm using euros and on the other account I'm using right here another currency. I don't know which currency this is, but I think it's, no, I don't know, seriously I don't know. But that is fine. Right now what we're going to do, or what people think what you need to do, is click here on account settings and then you can change right here the currency. But there's no option how to change the currency right here. We can only change from accounts. So what we're going to do right here is we go to accounts and we click here on add account. Then we select right here which account we want to have. So then we do right here CFD trading, MetaTrader 5, select right here trade MT5. And now we can decide if we want to choose the euro, the US dollar, or the payment method that they have in Switzerland. So you can decide right now which one you want to do. So let's do US dollars. And then we click right here on continue. We can also fill in right here with how much we want to start. Then we do open account. And then in a few seconds, I think we are having an account. There we go. This is our password, this is our account number. And now if we click right here on the cross, we created our account that is standing right here. So this is how you can change the currency right here in Admirals. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.